Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix PeaZip if it is not working properly on Windows. First, completely close PeaZip. Now open Task Manager. Look for PeaZip in the list of running applications or background processes. If PeaZip is still running, select it and click End Task. After that, close Task Manager and try opening PeaZip again. If PeaZip is still not working correctly, find PeaZip using Windows Search. Right-click on PeaZip and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now check whether PeaZip is working normally. Another simple solution is to restart your computer. Restarting Windows can sometimes fix temporary software problems. After the computer starts again, open PeaZip and test it. If you are having problems with a specific file or archive, try opening another file to check whether the problem is with PeaZip or with that particular file. If PeaZip continues to have problems, the installation may be damaged. In that case, you can uninstall PeaZip and install the latest version again from the official PeaZip website. These simple steps can help solve many common PeaZip problems, and that's how you can troubleshoot PeaZip when it is not working properly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.